All right, welcome back. So we just learned how to do the product property. Now we're going to talk about a power to a, or of a power. And so word-wise, verbally, it is any integer, a, m, and n, where a does not equal 0, then the following is true. A to the m to the nth power is equal to a to the m n power. So multiply, basically. Why does that work? Well, a cubed then squared would be the same as, here's a cubed, right? And then that squared would be a times a times a times a times a times a, which means a to the 6th, because I have 6 a's being multiplied together. So it's just easier to do a cubed times 2, which would be a to the 6th power. So this part down here is just a why. Why does that work? Well, because this pattern is true for all problems when we have this power to a power. All right, so working through this example here, we would have 10, 3 times 2, which is 10 to the 6th power, or x 3 times 4, which is x to the 12th power, a 5 times 6, which is a to the 30th power. And that's it. That's how it works. When you have a power to a power, multiply them together. Done.